What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to monetize your videos in 2018 because YouTube has been announcing for months that if you apply for the partnership program and if you have 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for partnership and YouTube will respond at the end of June, and right now it is July, so you should hear back from YouTube maybe a week ago. And for everybody that has been accepted, welcome to the team. You're now officially a YouTube partner. You can now monetize your videos, and that is what this video is all about. So make sure to smash the like button down below already and subscribe if you're new, because we have many different videos every single week. So with that being said, I will catch you guys obviously right after the intro. Alright, so now that you received a notification in your Creator Studio or through emails, saying congratulations from YouTube, you've been accepted as a YouTube partner. There are basically 3 steps you need to complete in order to monetize your videos and get paid on YouTube as well. So also, if you want to see a video how to get paid on YouTube, make sure to check out this card right here. And I would say, let's move on to step number 1. Okay guys, the first step is basically go to your computer and you want to go to your video manager, and right there you can select all the videos that you want to monetize. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's move on to our computer. Okay guys, so now that we are on our video manager, it is basically very simple what you need to do. So you don't want to pay attention to those green icons because I've been a YouTube partner for years, so that's why all the videos are already monetized. But if you're new to the YouTube partnership, what you need to do is go to your video manager right here, and what you can do is, for example, if you have 500 videos, there's no way that you're going to just click on edit and then enable ads for 500 videos. It's going to take a long time. So what you want to do is you want to click on this icon right here. That's going to select all the videos on this page. But if you want to select all your videos, all 1596, you want to click on select all your videos. So now that all my videos are selected, I made over the past 5 years, what you can do is really simple. Go to add actions and go to add formats. So right here, what you can choose is overlay in video ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, long non-skippable video ads, sponsored cars. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that everything of those ads are checked, and then you want to click on submit. And this is called bulk. So if you're adding all these, advertisements on multiple videos, it's called, adding ads in bulk. So it will show a little load icon right here because it needs to apply ads to all the videos. And once that is done, as you can see, if you go to videos that are longer than 10 minutes, what you can do is you can add in an extra mid-roll. So let's go pick this video that's 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and click on edit on this video. Then what you want to do is you want to go at the very bottom, it says monetization. You want to click on there, and as you can see, your monetization status, this icon means monetized. And at the bottom, you can choose where you want to insert a mid-roll ads. You can obviously choose edit ad breaks in bulk, like I've mentioned. Right here, you can type in the ads. For example, I want to have an ad appear on 2 minutes 30 seconds. You're going to type in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I want to make another ad appear on 8 minutes and 30 seconds. You're going to type that in. You want to click on edit ads, and then as you can see, all the ads will play on the time that you have filled in, and this is basically how you do it. You want to make sure that all those icons are fully highlighted, and this is how you monetize your videos in the video manager, and that is basically how to do it. Okay guys, so now that all the ads are on your videos, it is time to configure your payment settings. So I want to mention that if you are under 18, your parents need to, link their account to your YouTube channel, so all the payments can go through them because you're under 18. It's a whole different system. But if you're over 18, what you have to do is go to your payment settings. You can choose bank transfer. If you're in the US or anywhere in the world, you can use PayPal, and I even think you can actually you know, get a check in the mail. But I would really, you know, not recommend the check because, for example, if you made like $100 and you chose the check option, I'm not really comfortable that, for example, if you live in India, for example, that YouTube is going to send physical money in an envelope to your country, because if it gets lost, who is responsible for that? So I would just go ahead and, you know, choose a bank transfer or PayPal, and that's what you need to do in the settings. And once that is completed, we can actually move on to the third step, which is getting paid itself. So let's move on to step number 3. Okay guys, so now your payment settings are optimized, your ads are on your videos. How can I get paid? Well, there is a threshold on YouTube that you need to make at least $100 before you can get paid. So it doesn't really matter if you have ads on your videos, if the payment settings are all configured, that you will get paid $1, for example, because many, you know, networks back in the day, they would say like, if you make $1, we just pay you $1. So what YouTube has done is they have a threshold so they don't need to, you know, send 5 cents, because that's not even possible if you don't have like 4,000 hours of watch time, because you need to get approved at the first place. So what you need to do is you need to reach at least $100. And you're probably asking like, Alex, how many views do I need for $100? Well, it depends on so many different factors, like what kind of ads are on your videos, skippable, like non-skippable, long non-skippable, you know, so many different factors, and how much money you make from like per 1,000 views is like how long do people watch your videos, from what country are the views coming from. For example, like India has a way higher CPM than another country, anything like that. It depends on so many different things. But for example, an average is, I would say, 70,000 between 125,000 would get you an estimated $100. I would not say that 125,000 views is going to exactly make you $100, but it just depends, like I've mentioned, on so many different factors. But I would recommend per month, if you want to get paid per month, you want to at least have around 70,000 to 125,000 views, just to be safe and to just meet that threshold. Now, what if you have like 40,000 views and you generated, for example, $35? What happens is YouTube is not going to pay that out, but the month after that, if you, for example, make $60, YouTube is going to combine that from 2 months, you know, the first $40 from the first month and, you know, the $60 from the second month is obviously altogether $100, and you will get paid 2 months after the month you made that money. So that's the really weird system that YouTube has, because the money you make in January, for example, if it's, for example, $150, you met the threshold. If you make that money in January, you will receive the payment in March. It's really weird. Like people that, you know, have full-time jobs every single day, if they work for January, the entire month, at the end of January, they will receive the money from that month. But for YouTubers, for us, it's really weird. Like money you make in August will pay it in October, so on. So guys, I really hope I cleared up some things, and this is how you make money on YouTube as a YouTube partner in 2018 after you've been approved, you know, because everything was in a backlog. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys obviously in a brand new video tomorrow, as always on the channel. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.